This 2014 Dodge Journey has clearly seen better days, as not only is the outside a complete disaster, the owner's dogs have wreaked havoc on the inside. So let's take a closer look to see just how dirty this vehicle is.
Holy cow, your gear shift isn't all full of crap.
Now, as I work my way around the vehicle, you've probably already noticed that the dirt is really stuck on and it's not all coming off with the pressure washer. And basically that's because it's been sitting on the vehicle for many months. So that's why it's imperative with a vehicle like this to do a really thorough pre-wash rinse to get as much of it off as possible before the wash stage. Now, since I noticed quite a bit of iron contamination on this paint while I washed it, I'm going ahead and using my iron decon spray, which will safely dissolve those little iron particles, turning purple when it does, and then I'll simply just spray it off after letting it sit for a few minutes. But looking around the car, and there was definitely iron contamination on every single panel and wheel. And if anyone is curious, yes, you can use regular detailing clay to achieve the same results here. The only issue is that it's going to take you a lot longer to remove those particles by hand. So if any of you out there have ever noticed tiny little rust spots on your paint, that is iron contamination, and it can be easily dissolved and rinsed away with a product like this. The link to it is down in the description for you. Okay, well, starting on drying now, and here's a guy you don't see very often, as he's usually got his butt planted on the couch, but when he does get up, he's either jamming out to music or trying to steal more of my ultra plush drying towels, which, if you didn't know, are Mike's favorite towel and can effortlessly dry an entire vehicle. I've got them available on my website at detailgeekautocare.com, where worldwide shipping is available, so be sure to give them a look. Now, with this rear carpet vacuumed, I'll grab my lily brush and get to work on all the dog hair that's embedded in the fibers. And as you can see, it's able to easily pull them all out. So if you're looking for the best pet hair removal tool on the market, well, I've got them available on my website, so be sure to check them out. Okay, with the seats out, we can have a quick look at all the dog vomit and other debris that was hiding underneath. And then I'll start by quickly removing the garbage and then take care of the dried up pieces of puke. Never thought I'd have to say that. Working my way around with the vacuum, and I am happy to say that the carpet in this Dodge Journey was actually pretty decent quality, which, as you probably know, is a rare find in a vehicle these days, So I'm definitely enjoying it, as vacuuming is much easier and it isn't nearly as much of a struggle to get the hair and other debris sucked out of there. Here's all the dirty water pulled from the journey, which has turned a nice shade of brown at the bottom. Gross.
Make some trouble, baby. Bring the bass, we might be trouble, baby. Make some trouble, baby. You better be, feel better.
Okay, to finish off the leather now, I'll apply some leather conditioner with a microfiber applicator pad, which is going to leave it looking and feeling soft and supple.
Come on in, have a look.
Yeah, it shines like a beauty from the outside.
Yeah, it's looking good.
I haven't seen it like this since I took it off the wall.
Yeah, no doubt, eh? You have to have a look inside, that's where a good chunk of the work was.
Wow. Holy cow, your gear shift isn't all full of crap.
I don't think I can let the kid in here anymore.
Okay, well, I'll give you that. And, yeah.
Thank you.
Enjoy it.